Hey everyone, it's LCruu. Today I am at my place of work, which I love very much. I work at Claire's. And we're doing a clothing exchange kind of thing, which is a really awesome, sustainable way to clear out your closet and get new stuff in. So we're just doing that as a staff, bonding, shopping, doing some ear piercings. So I'm really excited. We've got a ton of food and they're fun people, so. Subscribe to her channel.
Hasn't been made yet.
No.
TBD. TBD.
Huge shouts. Those are gorgeous. Wow. She said everyone hi. Okay, so we'll probably leave too. So we have to do a little sneaky thing because there's still customers in the store. I don't understand, but we're going. Just take a plate and run. Everyone better duck. The mall cops are coming for. No, I'm kidding. Yes, it's on the vlog.
Hi guys. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Kyla. You know.
Ooh, she said.
Okay. So let's go OOTD.
OOTD.
The outfit is from Forever 21 because I'm basic, but it's cute. Ooh, I know the pants is broken. Okay, so my outfit of the wait, I think I'm a little ashy. Don't look at my toes either.
Okay, I won't go on your toes.
But okay,
No.
the top is from I don't know, but I love bodysuit and it's not buttoned.
Woo! I'll see what my friends over here are doing. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Who's gonna win? Is it just like
She said, oh.
hi, I'm Zerd. I will get bleep that out. My fans are down.
My fans are gonna come.
They're just like right here. I do accessories first. She's giving you a first.
Oh, I see.
What should I do?
That's cute.
Yeah, you got all the good stuff.
So I had a bit of an outfit change. But it's so fun. I love this. What's up? We're literally like building piles on the floor, like shoes, clothes, books. On the vlog, Kyla, how do you feel?
Oh no. I'm gonna cry in front of the vlog.
Oh my gosh. Are your ears already dotted?
I'm a surprise her. She's so scared.
Hold her hand.
She only has two of them.
Look straight ahead for me, okay?
Wait, I took one.
You can't do that. We opened them.
You know they have to.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, you're good. It's just the earrings.
Ready and a banana. All right, 1, 2, 3. That's it. We're all done.
Do you want to pick out a sucker?
Because you were just so good.
Oh, you can have some candy.
This looks like.
You were so good.
Oh my god, I didn't even know.
Oh, it's so
Hi.
cute. Let me see.
There's like people that take things too seriously on the internet. Follow my food blog, guys.
Yes.
Haneen's Eatery.
Haneen's Eatery. I'm gonna link it. I'll link it in the description below. Is it like super zoomed into my face?
A little, but not really. If you're fine.
We'll link it in the description below. Follow her food blog.
Yeah.
She made pasta salad tonight. It was great.
What's it called here?
Uh-huh.
Are there buggies on there?
Alright, ladies and gents, so it is already the next day. I already went to and came back from work, and so I thought I would do a little bit of a clothing haul of what I got from my awesome staff and coworkers. Okay, let's try this. Don't mind the crazy room. This is what's going on here, though. I have this whole bag of stuff, this bag of stuff, and then this bag of stuff. The rest of the stuff on the floor is just me trying to get my life together. Okay, I might totally be butchering who I got the stuff from, but super cute, actual adult looking shirt. I say that because none of my clothes look like I'm a real adult. From Haneen. I got this super cute number, homemade number from Zergania. Super excited about that guy. I got this sparkly onesie, fancy little going out piece from Gina. Super fun little booties from, I want to say they were Breeze. They were a little bit big on me, but I'm excited to like actually try them on with like some socks and stuff. I've been saying I need some new shuffling shoes, and I used to have some Nikes kind of like this. They were gold, and they're kind of sparkly too, and I can wear them to festivals, and so it's perfect. I got this cute little number from my new pal Sarah. It's from that brand Lush, which I'm pretty sure is like a nice and kind of expensive brand. These ones are like super on brand for me. I want to say those ones were from Sydney. This cute little bralette, I literally already like ripped the padding out from. This one is from Gina. I'm really excited because I can either wear this guy to like a festival or just like under backless shirt or something. The boob tube here, which is kind of also hard to see the true color of this guy. This one was from Anna. These super fun leather accented leggings I got from Sydney. So Haneen threw this piece at me saying it's totally me. I don't have a lot of shirts I can wear to work, so this one I can. This one is fun because the only jean jacket I have is a giant oversized one. It's more fitted and just more of like on trend per se. Everyone knows I'm a sucker for sparkles, and this one I got from Gina. I feel like I could definitely wear it to like an EDC Las Vegas or some sort of festival. Netted type top. Was from Sydney. Super like mesh. This hooded little guy was from Zergania, and it is kind of hard to see the color for this one. It looks more pink, but it's more red in person. This one's also from Zergania. It's this like knitted cardigan, I guess is a better word, with like the fringe at the bottom, which is such a, I feel like is also super on brand for my style. This piece is from Deborah. I'm really excited about this because I think it'll be really fun to style when I go out, when I go back to school. It has these kind of like rips in it. And potentially the most important part of our trades, the book. I got Eat, Pray, Love. I'm excited because I've never actually read it, nor have I seen the movie. So I'm excited to read it. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Whew, okay. Now that I'm done with all those outfit changes, I want to give a huge shout out to my wonderful staff that I love spending time with. You're the reason I love going to work every day. This was so fun, an awesome way to bond with everyone and be sustainable with the changing of your wardrobe. I love, love, love all the pieces that I got. I've got a bunch more fun adventures coming up, tons of fun videos I'm excited for you guys to see. So stay tuned, subscribe on your way out. You can also follow me on Instagram to see how I style some of these pieces at LCruu. If you coordinate one of these with all of your friends, I'd love to hear how it all goes down. Keep living large. Catch you on the flip.
Are there bugs on there?